Welcome back. Thanksgiving is just a few days away. It's right around the corner, and Martha Stewart has some fun ideas for decorating your home or holiday table. Let's take a look.
So let's start with the kids' table. We all love the Thanksgiving Day parade, so we wanted to think up a fun way to shrink it down and bring it home. I made this version of the Empire State Building yesterday. So we have templates on our website for this guy and for the Chrysler Building. You can print those out, and then you're going to cut the pieces out of railroad board. So that's an extra sturdy kind of poster board. The windows are made of glassine paper. That's a shiny coated paper that's sort of like wax paper. So you'll need a craft knife to cut everything out, and then you're just going to hot glue the pieces together. You're going to want to make a couple buildings so you can set them down the center of your table, just to get the full effect. And then for the most important part, of course, you want floats. Well, here's what we found. These guys are Japanese paper balloons. So they're really fun because they come in lots of different animal shapes. This is a puppy, but you can find anything you want, chickens, etc. Blow them up, and actually when you're finished, you can collapse them, fold them up, and save them for another use. So we really love that they're reusable. You're just going to attach them with a little bit of tape to some floral wire and tape that to the back of your building. So you're all set for a parade. Your kids have a front row. It's a very fun idea. As for the adults, our favorite idea this year was using dried wheat for the table. So we wanted to do that in kind of a fresh and different way. We created these braided napkin rings. They might look a little complicated, but actually they're very simple to make. We have full instructions on our website, marthastewart.com. You're going to braid 3 strands for each one, and then you're going to tie 2 braids together, basically, just in 2 loops. So it's very easy. Once you have that, you're going to take it and tie it onto a napkin ring, just like this. It's very simple, but something sweet for every place setting at your table. Everybody loves a cheese board too, so we wanted to think up something for that. And we found these guys. They're not fall leaves from outside. They're actually made of parchment paper. They're food safe, so it's nice to put cheese on them, and it keeps your board from getting gooey.
It's also cute for your fall haul. For these fun projects and more DIY ideas, head on over to marthastewart.com.